What is up, guys? Welcome to the very first Patreon vlog right now. And I thought I'd just kind of give you a tour of my dirty, filthy kitchen that I love. As I make you some coffee, I'm just gonna, talk to you about, I don't know what the fuck to talk about, because giving you something a little different than what you see on my channel. Usually on my channel it's all content, but you don't get to see like behind the scenes. So how do I actually live my life, What do I do, and what's my life about? Like, I'm gonna grind some coffee. I'm on a ketogenic diet. So now on this diet, I have to be careful with what I eat. Put a lot of sea salt, electrolytes. Very important for keeping hydrated and keeping healthy, because salt has been demonized a lot in the standard American diet and stuff like that. But it's actually really important. We all need salt, Now we're gonna start with, now is 11 a.m. Dark roast coffee right here. It's just some cheap from the supermarket. But hey, let's get started. Take 4 scoops. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I only drink coffee on the weekends. You know why? Because on the weekends I can work on my channel during the afternoon and the morning. But when I'm at work, I can't do that because I need energy in the evening. So what I do is I don't drink coffee during the week, so then when I arrive home I still have energy left to work on what's important, because I don't want to burn out, like while I'm at work or whatever. And the peak hours of my work is during the afternoon. We all have like our peak hours, so just try to find your own peak hours. What's your peak hour when you are the most productive, Oh, also, I'm gonna show you something. Metal filter. This is epic for coffee because you keep all the polyphenols, all the nutrients, because the paper filter, you kind of like, you remove all the good vitamins and whatever shit in it. So that's why I have a metal filter, way freaking better. Alright, so we got our coffee ready, bitches. Now let's pour it in. Ooh. It's alright. It's like some cheap coffee, but the brewing method really makes it taste better. Some people, they just drink shit and eat shit just because it tastes good. But I think beyond tasting good, what's important is that it has to help you. It has to serve you in your life as well. It has to give you energy and be nutritious. The best time to pour the water in is 30 seconds after it's been boiled, because at 100 degrees it's a little too hot. It's gonna burn the beans. And around like 95 to 97, 98 degrees is when it's the best. So now wait about like 30 seconds, sort of, and then after that I pour it in. It's gonna be our epic coffee. And the way I pour it is I go do like this fancy shit where I, ooh, look at that. It's like a meditative practice. I tell you guys about like, hey, how it's important to, be, like awareness, slow down as you cook or slow down as you do the dishes. That's what I do. So, I pour it very gently like this. And I just do around. This week, like, I haven't thought about personal development at all. All I did was work on my montages, because I realized what makes me truly happy is, making art. I realized that, sure, I could be a life coach, I could help you guys out and stuff like that, but yeah, that's why I started a Patreon instead of starting like a conventional coaching page or whatever. I could have done that, but I felt like the Patreon would align more with my artistic goals, and you guys could get like this exclusive content as well, which is pretty cool, because hey, I am an artist, on top of everything. If I could choose between life coaching or being an artist, probably be an artist, to be honest, because like, life without art would be so boring. I have to be creative. If I'm not creative, my life would be shit. you know, sort of this creative outlet. I think most of us, we need this creative outlet to be happy. So what's your creative outlet? Do you have a creative outlet? Or if you don't have a creative outlet, you have an outlet to express yourself, you know? Maybe you have a, I don't know, maybe you could start a blog or a YouTube channel like me, or Patreon or whatever. And yeah, maybe that's something to ask yourself. Maybe you need that. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that I should make a living just doing POV videos? Would that be like a, would that be an awesome job? Do you think that would be possible, that that all my life is that I just make POV videos, make short films and nothing else, right? Would that be cool? Or should I also do personal development? Should I focus on personal development? What should be my, what are your suggestions? Because you guys on Patreon are like super exclusive members, then you guys probably know best how to help me out and stuff. Guys, don't forget to watch the first draft, the preview of my new black and white POV video, because I'm trying something different. I'm trying to see if aesthetically how that looks, kind of look like a little nostalgic and stuff. And the coffee is ready. Woohoo! What else is, wait, one thing is left. I gotta add some salt. So don't forget to check the POV montage. I'm sure this is the first thing you guys clicked on before this vlog, if because you're probably curious about how it's like. Well, now you will know. So let's get to my editing station, and we're gonna start working on some shit. Working on my Patreon, I am also listening to some pickup videos. Natural lifestyles, they're pretty good. I just like discovered them recently, and I'm thinking of doing a montage to this song that's 12 minutes long. And the reason why I'm thinking of doing this, taking this song, is because I have so much footage left of like 2-3 years of footage, and I don't know what the fuck to do with it. So I'm thinking maybe I should make a montage of all the remaining footage that I have, and it'll be a very long but I'm afraid that it's gonna be too boring, you know. If it's 12 minutes of just like I don't know, I'm trying to find a way to make it interesting that's not boring, but like 12 minute, you know, a 12-minute video, you know, because but that new montage will not be able to use all the footage that I have left, you know. And I have so much fucking footage, man. It's ridiculous, completely ridiculous. Like from, okay, let me just give you a preview. See all those things? Those are all like the days I went out. So then this is just 2017. So then on July, August, you know, those are the dates, and those are all like each place that I go is like fucking 75 gigs, 29 gigs, 13 gigs. You know, it's like each day that I go out is like hours upon hours, and yo, this is insane. But I'm working on something big, like a massive montage after this one. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time on the next vlog. Peace.